Yes, hello. Welcome back. My name is Nyesiga Naboth, aka NABO UG256. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on your Cheaper Cash account. Go on Google Play Store and download the Cheaper Cash app. In case, for me, I already have the application. As you can see, my application is right here. That's Cheaper Cash app. So tap into the application after you have downloaded it from Google Play Store. Then wait for it to load. Make sure you have a good network and you should be having data on your phone. So I'm going to teach you how to redeposit money or withdraw money on your Cheaper Cash account. And in the other videos, I'll be teaching how to transfer, make crypto coins on your Cheaper Cash account, how to buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, how to buy stocks, all that stuff I will show to you in our Cheaper Cash app while you have your account. Create, register, and have an account on Cheaper Cash. So my application, I had to put as a cheat of using a fingerprint. Open it, so I'll just press my fingerprint and it's now open. So after you have logged into your Cheaper Cash account, as you see above, there is this saying which says invest in stocks. I have been dealing in the stocks and I have invested a lot in stocks. As you can see, my last transactions, you see you sent Bitcoin 0.0032, you bought, you sold the Meta platform. Here you had bought a stock of Meta, that's Facebook. Here you bought, I bought sales shares, those are called shares, in Tesla, in Facebook. You see, those are the shares I bought in Tesla. Those are the shares I bought in Nvidia below. You see, these are the shares you can buy, you can sell. So it's up to you on what you want. So today I'm going to teach you everything that you want to learn. So if you want to deposit, go on add cash. If you have not seen that, go on add cash. So I think since it is blue, let me use the red color. This is the button of add cash. Click on that button, then put your mobile, MTN or Airtel. You can select from here. So I'm going to use MTN. So this is my MTN number. That's my MTN number. Put the amount you want. Let me see, 5,000 just for showing. Then click on add UGX 5,000. So as you can see, we are going to enter a pin now. Let me see. So if I enter my pin, you have to see it, but so let me first pause and I entered my pin. Pause. As you can see, I've entered my pin and they say your request received successfully. Okay, so you can above see that Pegasus Technologies Limited has deducted UG. Let me show you the full message. Has deducted UGX 5,000 at a fee of 150 from mobile money account. Just know this 150 they have deducted, Cheaper Cash will give you that same amount because Cheaper Cash does not want you to lose. So back to our account, let's refresh. I'm refreshing. I want to show you. As you can see, I deposited 5,000. Now you see there is 5,150. That's 150 they deducted us, and now it has been given to us by Cheaper Cash. Here the message says This cheaper cash paid you 150. This is to cover the MTN fee that was charged to your MTN number for deposit of 5k. So that's how you can post money on your cheaper cash account. So those for Airtel, go on add cash, then here on the numbers put your Airtel number, then put the amount. In this case we're using 5,000. Then click on add cash. Let me pause. You have to put your pin. Yes, I have already put my pin and the transaction has been successful. You have to just wait for the notification. As you can see, that's the Airtel Money notification. You have paid 5,000 cheaper technologies. You get a limited charge 150. So if you go into your account, you can see my money has been, now it's 10k 300, and here you can see cheaper cash has paid us that same amount of money that Airtel deducted us. So just in the next video, I'll teach you more about cheaper cash as you request in the notification in the comment section. If you have any question on how to buy stocks, how to send money, how to use the cards, the virtual card, how to earn money on cheaper cash, you can get 5k when you verify your friend's account, or when you refer a friend. You can invest in stocks, you can buy stocks, you can buy cryptos, you can invest in cryptos. As you can see, my crypto balance is 1,900. So I was just checking out, so I was buying and selling these cryptos. So these are the stocks. You can click on search stocks. These are the stocks above this: Tesla, Mastercard, Visa. So click on search stocks for the stock you want. I think my first stock to buy in life was Tesla, and I used cheaper cash to buy the stock. So let me see if I can get it. Tesla, that's the stock I had bought. As you see, this is the best time to buy this stock because it's now down 947. It's down by negative 5.59%. Go 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour how it has been. It's still down. 1 week it was down negative 8. As you see now, it's coming up. Since now it's negative 5. 1 month ago it was negative 12. 1 year, that's a profit, I think. Yes, positive 11. So let's buy this statistic, this stock, so that when it moves up, we shall find us there. So 1,000. This is the amount I have. So I'm using $2, $2.92 to buy this Tesla stock. So I have invested $2. As you can see, they're saying approximate shares 0.003274144. Approximate share price 3,150,000. Total buy amount, that's it. Cheaper cash fee, that's a few amount. Then click on buy now. Your order to buy Tesla Inc. for was successfully placed. Click on done. As you can see, I have bought my share and it is now here on pending. As you can read here, it says pending orders. These orders will be executed when the market opens. Prices may change between now and when the market opens. So this is the amount I invested. So stocks, your portfolio lost 0. When you gain, the profits show here. When you lose, the losses show here. So this shows the amount of total invested and the amount of total gained or total lost. So it's not yet confirmed, but when it's confirmed, this 2.93 will be here and the profits will go here. So for more questions, comment in the video below in the comment section. I shall reply you immediately. Thanks.